guys, Mr. Zern here. Welcome back. I've got another finished sample of the project that we are making today. So let's take a look here for this Python Assessment 3. All right, hello there. What is your name? So it's going to the program. You need to ask the user their name, and then you are going to basically concatenate the following print statements and user declared variables using that name. Hi, Adam. Are you ready to begin? Okay. Simple question. Are you ready to begin, Adam? Please type yes or no. So basically, I've got a little while loop here, and it is looking for a yes or no response, and it's set up to prevent invalid entries. So let's say, no, actually, I'm not ready to begin. Too bad, Adam. You have to answer yes. Adam, please type yes. All right, looks like I have no choice here. Let me type yes very weirdly, and let's see if we move on. We sure do. So we've got some dot notation in there that is allowing the answer to work regardless of how I kind of do yes. Hi, Adam. Pick a number 1 to 10. So let's go with 3. Adam, what should I buy at the store? Well, we better get some milk. Adam, what should I buy at the store? Oh, we better get some bread. Adam, what should we buy at the store? How about some eggs? Feels like it's a blizzard coming or something here. All right, Adam, what's the most important item on that list? Select the corresponding number between 1 and 3. Well, I'm going to say 4 is definitely the most important item on that list. It says try again. All right, so basically, again, I've got it set up here so that it's forcing me to stay between those numbers. And basically, it's looking for a number between 1 and then whatever the length of my list is. All right, Adam, 1 to 3. So I'm going to say, now listen carefully here, I'm going to say that I think the most important item on that list is milk. And so that is the first item. Now think carefully about Python. What does Python start numbering? So I'm going to type in 1, and I'm expecting it to say milk. Now, spoiler, it is going to say that. But I've done some coding in there so that 1 actually matches up with the first item on the list, because technically the first item on the list is really 0. And it says, Adam, you selected milk as the most important thing I should buy. Then we've got a for loop kind of finishing that up, concatenating the user's name with a string and the item. Adam, you want me to buy milk? Adam, you want me to buy bread? Adam, you want me to buy eggs? You got it, Adam. I'll go grab my keys and go. All right, so it kind of runs through there. And if we just kind of look here at the requirements, we can see declare a variable asking the user's name throughout the program using concatenation, insert the user's name into all future user declared variables. I've got a while loop asking the user if they're ready to begin. Basically prevent them from saying anything but yes or no, and then use dot notation. Ask the user to pick a random number. I kind of limited them to 1 to 10. Declare another variable and ask the user a variation of the following question: what should I buy at the store? Insert the user's name. Append that item to the list. Using a while loop, force the user to add as many items to the list as the random number they picked. So you can see why I went with 3, something easy. Add a print statement that states how many items are on the list, and we should have saw that. I think we had that in there somewhere. Because it says you choose between 1 and 3. Yeah, we've got that in there. Ask the user to select one of the, prevent the user for invalid entry, add a print statement that says what they picked, add a conditional statement responding on the user's input. Use a for loop that's going to print them all. We did that. The program should make sense. Mine did. Use hashtags to describe what's going on, and appropriate spacing between questions and input and line breaks. All right, so good example of, there's a sample of my program for what I'm looking for, and look forward to checking out yours here in the very near future. I will talk to you later. Goodbye.